you back to your arms, wash it all